Anyone developing or operating applications in Kubernetes environments knows how challenging it is to properly set resource allocations. Applications need enough CPU and memory to make sure they run smoothly, but you don't want to over-allocate resources because you're pointlessly wasting money. In an age where we're all trying to reduce cloud spend, managing and optimizing your application resource requests and limits is one of the most efficient, albeit challenging, ways to do so. Even worse than over-allocating or under-allocating is when there are no limits set, and application pods unexpectedly use precious resources and affect the neighboring pods on your cluster. The way to prevent these problems is to constantly monitor all the applications in your Kubernetes environment, analyze and profile the usage and continuous behavior of the application, and adjust your requests and limits accordingly. There are a number of tools which can assist in resource profiling. Sosivio has an advantage in that we can leverage our state-of-the-art data swirling technology, which is our proprietary real-time and disconnected data collection and analysis architecture. Sosivio can capture incredibly granular resource utilization metrics and has a much more accurate picture of what the resource utilization is and what the allocated resources should be. Today, many operators try to do this manually, but this is no easy task even for a few small applications and is nearly impossible to do at scale. Luckily, Sosivio's application profiling module does all of this for you. Let's look at an example. Here we have the application titled Pod Throttling, running as a deployment on our cluster. Initially, we had no idea what the amount of resources required would be, so we made an educated guess and set the CPU limit to 0.1 cores, the CPU request to 0.07 cores, memory limit to 40 megabytes, and memory request to 10 megabytes. As you can see, we were off by quite a bit, effectively under-allocating resources and negatively affecting performance. By clicking on Recommendation Available, we can see Sosivio immediately provides granular recommendations on optimal resource allocation. We simply click Apply for all containers, and Sosivio instantly adjusts the resource allocations. Here's another example. For the application PVC error, we made another educated guess and set the CPU limit to 0.2 cores. CPU request to 0.1 cores, memory limit to 200 megabytes, and memory request to 100 megabytes. As you can see again, we were off, effectively over-allocating our memory resources and wasting resources and money. By clicking on Recommendation Available, we can see Sosivio immediately provides granular recommendations on optimal resource allocation. Again, we simply click Apply for all containers, and Sosivio instantly adjusts the resource allocations. This is just one of the ways Sosivio offers huge value to our customers, including a direct impact on your sales, customer experience, and cloud spend. If you'd like to learn more, please contact us at info@sosiv.io, and thank you for watching.